always wanted to go natural. I always saw these natural sisters and I just got so jealous of how healthy their hair looked and how happy they looked with their hair. You know, I've cut my hair 1,000 times, like literally. I cut my hair all the time because I used to bleach it a lot. I used to put every different color in it. I used to bleach it, I used to dye it, I used to rinse it, name it. I had jerry curls, I had braids, I used to always sew in, I glued hair on my head, and I don't know, it just was not working for me. I have tried everything and I have never been satisfied. I just didn't know what to do with my head, you know. I just did not know what to do. It's like I was just confused. I always relaxed my hair and then it didn't really process well because my hair needed to be stripped all the time, and I think my hair just got tired. My hair was screaming out, oh my god, Mishka, I need a break. Mishka, can't you just give me a break? That's what my hair was saying to me. So I just knew that it was time, and this time I'm gonna just cut it all off. I'm just gonna do that big chop, and I'm just gonna say, all right, and let's start anew, and let's just go on to being happy here, you know. So I have decided that I wanted to go natural. Relaxed hair was way too taxing. Way too taxing. I spent money on my hair. I don't know, I spent so much on my hair and it's like nothing was working. I didn't really have one specific line that I was using, you know. I just used Optimum today, Revlon tomorrow, and I don't know, I was hair confused. I was actually being a bit cruel with my hair, you know. I was just cruel. To be honest, when I look back at it, I said if I was my hair, I would have quit a long time ago, and I think that's what it did. It just quit. It just said, Mishka, I can't do this no more. So before I cut my hair, I don't know if I can probably find a picture of how it looked, but my hair started going green. It just stopped taking all the relaxers. It just looked thirsty, you know. Nothing had no moisture, nothing, no, I don't know, it's just, my hair just quit on me. I remember going to the hair salon, and when I went to the hair salon, I said to the hairdresser that I want to strip my hair and go natural, and she's like, strip your hair? I said, yeah. And she said, I had a scarf on, and she said, let me see your hair. When I took it off, she was like, oh god. She said, what did you put into your hair? Why does your hair look like this? I said, well, the last time I actually think I had S-curl in it, you know. She said, oh my god, you had permanent wave. I said, yeah. And then after I did that, I actually put some straightening relaxer in it, and she was like, listen, I cannot help you. If you go to a hairdresser and your hairdresser is gonna tell you that she can't help you no more, then you're in trouble. So yeah, she said, I can help you, but I can recommend you to a barber. You know, you can just go and start fresh. And I was like, oh my god, but I did not want to cut my hair again. She's like, listen, just start fresh. And I said, okay, I'll do that. So yeah, I cut my hair, and to be honest, I have not been back to her to tell her many thanks, but I actually feel like going to her and kissing her feet. And she gave me good advice, and I am happy with my hair. Like, this hair right now, this is about 2 months. This is 2 months worth since my big shop, actually. 2 months since my big shop. And I am feeling wonderful. Where my hair is concerned, I am just happy. I was actually worried as to how I'm gonna manage my hair, because I have pretty coarse hair and thick hair, and I just didn't want to go through that. Plus, between me and you, I'm afraid of my head, you know. Nobody can comb my hair for me. If you were in a position that I I just described, where you're just fed up and you don't know what to do with your hair anymore. You're still using relaxers, you're still bleaching it, you're still doing this one bag of thing with it, you're still doing so much with it, and you're just fed up. Listen, don't be afraid. Please don't be afraid. Just close your eyes if you have to and just say, listen, I'm going to take that step and I'm going to do that big chop. Believe me, it will be worth it. You will be happy. I am just happy with my hair, and I am so happy to be on this natural hair journey, and I'm just glad that you guys will be on it with me. You can still have fun with your TWA. And just in case if you don't know what TWA means, like when I just cut my hair, I did not know what TWA meant. It means your teeny weeny afro. So yeah, this is my teeny weeny afro, my TWA, and I am happy with it.